Ever wondered if a bank built specifically for startups could be the game changer for your business? Today, we're diving deep into Relay Bank, an online banking platform designed to simplify financial management for modern businesses. But is it the right choice for you? Let's find out. Relay Bank isn't your average bank. It's a fintech company that's partnered with FDIC-insured banks to provide a powerful, tech-first banking experience. Their main draw is a fee-free business checking account with no minimum balance requirements or overdraft fees. This is a huge win for startups on a tight budget. They also offer up to 20 free checking accounts money-mouth face, which is perfect for organizing different departments or managing specific projects without the headache of multiple accounts at different banks. So, how does it stack up against traditional banks? Well, while a traditional bank might have a physical branch and a personal banker, Relay Bank is entirely online. This means you can't walk into a branch to deposit cash, which could be a deal breaker for some businesses. However, for digital native startups, this isn't a problem. Relay's platform is incredibly user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Zero Chart Increasing. These integrations can automate a lot of your bookkeeping, saving you countless hours. Another key feature is their advanced expense management. Relay offers up to 50 virtual or physical debit cards with customizable spending limits and controls. This makes it easy to give your team members a card for business expenses while keeping a close eye on your budget. Imagine giving your marketing team a card with a $500 limit for ad spending, no more messy expense reports or chasing down receipts. But here's the catch: Relay doesn't offer loans or lines of credit directly. If your business needs financing, you'll have to look elsewhere. They do, however, partner with third-party lenders, but this is an extra step you'll need to take. For a startup that might need quick access to capital, this could be a significant drawback. So, who is Relay Bank a good fit for? It's ideal for tech-focused startups, freelancers, and small businesses that operate primarily online and value automation and a streamlined user experience. If you need a simple, cost-effective way to manage your finances and are comfortable with a fully digital banking solution, Relay could be an excellent choice. But if you rely on cash deposits, need direct access to business loans, or prefer the personal touch of a traditional bank, it might not be the right fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.